Hi investors, welcome to Stock Market Watch May 25, and this is Michelle. In this video, I will do a fundamental and technical analysis for US and Canada stock market, and give you a general idea what's happening in stock market today, and hope that video could help you about your investment. Okay, let's see the US market first. In the S&P 500, financial sector rallied to its highest level of year. The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 have risen more than 2% since last Thursday, as the oil price already over 50 a barrel, and investors appear more comfortable with the prospect of higher interest rate as early as next month. So the gains, which include the S&P 500, biggest advice in more than 2 months on Tuesday, have pushed the index near its highest close for this year. So today the Dow Jones gained 145.46 points by 0.82% up. It closed at 17851.51 points, and S&P 500 closed at 2090.54, have 40.48 points up by 0.7 percentage, and Nasdaq also increased 0.7 percentage as the 33.83 points up, which closed at 4894.89. Okay, let's see the chart about Dow Jones and S&P 500. For the S&P 500, in the normally it's create lower higher, but right now it's already breakthrough and more higher than the last one. So if we draw the trend channel, will like that. Since yesterday it's already breakthrough, so right now the trend channel have the change because have the new higher point than the last one. So for the short term, the trend already changed. And also, if we use the indicator of the chips distribution, which include the technical analysis and also the volume of the exchange, and from that one is already 2 days breakthrough the most resistant and the support of the S&P 500. And also from the money part, we can see from MCD and the ED is all increased. The bankers' money, that also the perfect chips have a big increase, and also the money is made money in, so that means buyer is more than the seller right now. Okay, and for the Canada market, is the steel also increased with the oil price. There is 33.83 points up by 0.7 percentage is the same increase rate with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Canada market closed at 140.73.74. Okay. And from the Canada market, we can see some more clear is that on yesterday I told you this is a triangle pattern. As soon as the break through the triangle, that is the buy point based on the pattern theory in the technical analysis. And from the many bankers money in, we also can find the right chips is a perfect. That means who earn money at that point at that day is keep bigger and bigger. Can make it bigger. It's keep more and more, and also today money in is much higher than the yesterday. So this is definitely a buy point for the Canada market because the oil price, as everyone know. And right now, let's we see the oil price. For the oil market, is closed just higher and higher, and during this tonight, it's already over the 50 barrel. And I think because the U.S. Energy Information Administration said U.S. crude stockpiles fell 4.2 million barrels last week. Analysis followed by the Wall Street Journal have expected a decrease of 2.5 million barrels. So the stockpiles fell much more than the expectation. So that's why today just keep going. And the next time is $60 in this year. It's hard to say. And for the next month, the OPEC will have the meeting, and then we will have a more clear the increase the space at that time. Okay, so do you remember that table I showed you yesterday? There's the no funding about the federal increase the interest rate. It's more about the global economic and oil's price. So today have a two keyword. One is the BIT. It's a bilateral investment trading, and also the oil price. What's the BIT? Let me to explain to you. The EIT, actually the US have the BIT with the 42 countries, but right now the US lead the effort to advise the US and China BIT, and in the next month the US will push on the BIT with the Chinese. The reason why is understanding the BIT do and don't do is very important. The United States and China, the two world largest economics, are currently negotiation of BIT, making the issue particular relevant today. And the topic they will talk about next month will be the Chinese economic transfer. So that's quite important. So a high quality US and China BIT would give a American company better access to China's market and equal rights as Chinese firm. This guarantee would provide American companies with a better opportunity to expand in Chinese market, the world's second largest economic, with a middle class that will soon be larger than uh, larger the population of the United States. So that will be a very important news about the global economic. And the second is the oil price. That no need me to explain more why it's so important. And that chart actually I show it to you on May 13. I think on May 13 of the stock market watch, I already showed that to you. So the red line is the average of global stock market, and the um, black line is the WTI, the oil price. So from the beginning of this year to now, it's exactly, not exactly, but almost the pattern is the same. Because the oil price also is the mark of the economic. So that's why the stock market is quite go the same direction with the oil. So that is today's market. Um, if you have any question or any suggestion, you can email to me. So the stock market watch will update on daily basis. So if you want to get the information by free, just follow my Facebook. My Facebook account is the initial stock market watch, Michelle Wang. So it's the SMW Michelle Wang. And if you want me to analyze your stock market stock you have, you can email me your the code of your stock. I will do the analysis for you. Okay, that is today. See you tomorrow. Bye.